In today's video, I'm going to teach you how custom CSS works in Wix Studio, providing you with the tools you need to take your website styling to the next level. Now, whether you're looking to enhance the appearance of your site or seeking to implement advanced animations and effects, understanding the role and application of custom CSS can be a game changer in your design process. Wix Studio offers a unique environment tailored for writing CSS. This is seamlessly integrated with Wix's own development platform, Velo, which gives you a central place to manage your styles. Let's dive into how this works, starting with a vital component, the global.css file. Now, this file is where you will house all your custom CSS codes. After enabling developer mode, you can access this file through the code panel. Any styles or amendments you write here are applied site-wide. This means that they override the default styling set by the editor panels, like Inspector or Design, for any specified elements. It's this feature that gives you the freedom to define cohesive styling that flows consistently throughout your site. When it comes to targeting elements with your CSS, you've got three principal methods to explore. The first is by using semantic classes, which are essentially Wix's built-in classes. These allow you to style specific elements or sections within components. Take a button, for instance. It might have a broad class like button, which applies to the entire element, as well as a more specific class like beige.button, a label, to target just the text inside. This kind of granularity is particularly useful when you want to achieve precise visual adjustments. Next, we have custom classes. With these, you create your own class names. Think of one like bot special card, and you manually apply this class to any element on your design canvas through the CSS classes panel. This method is incredibly versatile, allowing you to apply consistent styles to multiple, perhaps even unrelated, elements across your site with ease. Finally, there are global classes. These are another type of built-in classes that cover broad categories of elements site-wide. They serve to unify styling across your website effortlessly. Now, let's talk about the exciting possibilities of what you can achieve with custom CSS. For starters, you can implement advanced styling such as glass morphism, mixed blend mode properties, intricate box shadows, or even gradient color effects that aren't available through the standard editor. Want to fine-tune your website's responsiveness? You can introduce CSS media queries to apply different styles based on the visitor's viewport size, going beyond just the built-in responsive functionalities. In addition, custom CSS allows you to create and apply complex animations and transitions to any supported element, enriching the user experience in new and dynamic ways. Not to forget, there's granular control at your fingertips, enabling you to target and style specific inner parts of complex Wix components like form inputs or gallery items, using semantic classes. By mastering custom CSS in Wix Studio, you open up a world of styling possibilities, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetics of your site. Enjoy exploring this creative journey, and I'll see you in the next video.